Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to increase your stitch or how to do an increase stitch in crochet. So this stitch is used for making the size of your work bigger, or you want your next round to increase in size, then you're going to do an increase stitch. And that's basically just doing two stitches in one space. So here I made two double crochets in one space because I want to increase the size of my circle. And on the next stitch, I'm gonna do two double crochets in one space, like so. The basic concept of doing an increase stitch is doing two stitches in that same space, and that will ensure that the next round will be wider or bigger than the previous round. In the case of a circle, let's say you made 6 double crochets in the first round, then you need to make 12, a total of 12 in the next round. And if you made 8 in the first round, then you have to make 16 in the second round. And you can do that by doing 2 of that same stitch in one space. Also, this technique will ensure that your circle won't curl up and it's always in the perfect shape. So this is for round 2 of circles. And in any other crochet projects that you want to increase the size, then you need to do 2 that same stitch in the same space. And that's how to increase the size of your circle, or how to do an increase stitch in crochet.